Justina from the Arts College, and welcome to our art tool review. And we're looking at what paints have I, what am I using, tried before, and why is watercolor paints, what kind of brand do I like to use. So I have tried, when we get to the works and any other place, and I'm going to say this, and unfortunately I'm going to be not as supportive when I talk about these paint tablets. So they are they come in these trays, and then they're like powder paints, and they're supposed to be these watercolor trays, and then children obviously mix water with them and then they apply them, and they are the worst paints to work with. Anything that is a dried up paint like that, I don't even use it. I've completely gotten rid of those and banned children from using them in my class. I only use the squeeze paints, and the reason why I use the squeeze paints is because they first of all can dry and they can be reused later, and also the quality is much better. So when you're making children or adults work with very cheap materials, cheap doesn't necessarily mean it's bad, because sometimes I've worked with other materials where it actually does work. But when it comes to watercolor paints, I only recommend using the tubes. Those poster paint pots, flat ones, are just, I really do not recommend. And this is where you get very frustrated children who feel that they're actually not getting anywhere. I'm actually using Reeves. You get a set for Reeves that you can actually buy for children, and you get an adult's Reeves, so the price is really reasonable for both, and that's what I would highly recommend for our painting tools.